Okay, so I was working on the window schedule for a project when I realized that there's a type mark missing. I forgot to fix the type mark for window, and it is going to be troublesome to go into the plan view and to search for it. So there's an easy fix for that. What we can do is I can select that in my schedule and then click this highlight in model option, and you'll see that it'll be highlighted in the model. Okay, right now it's being highlighted in a 3D model. Maybe I don't want that. I'll go back to schedule and click on highlight in model again. There's no open view that shows any of the highlighted elements. Searching through the closed views to find a yes, sure, as long as it's not a 3D view. Okay, let's close it. Let's take a look. Okay, I think I found where the window is. So I'll just go to my dimensions plan. There you go, I found it. Now I'm just going to fix it. This is going to be my WD 06. Okay, all good. Now if I go back to my window schedule, you can see that it's now fixed. Okay, alright, so that is it for this video. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you got to learn something new.